In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to control Slack workspace restrictions in Trello. If you're managing a Trello workspace and need to adjust permissions for linking Slack, this tutorial is for you. Setting these restrictions ensures that only the right team members can connect your workspace to Slack, helping you maintain control and security over your collaboration tools. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to navigate Trello's settings to manage these permissions with confidence. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to www.trello.com. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner and click on the Login button. This will take you to the login page. Here, you can either enter your work email address or use a single sign-on option like Google or Microsoft to access your Trello account. If prompted, enter your password and continue. Once you're signed in, make sure you're using an account with admin rights for your Trello workspace. This is important because only admins can change Slack workspace restrictions. After confirming this, locate your current workspace from the Trello dashboard. You'll see it listed among your workspaces, so find the one you want to adjust and click on its name. Clicking the workspace name will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. You'll now be taken to the settings page for your workspace. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Slack Workspaces Restrictions. It might take a moment to locate, but it will be there within the settings panel. Once you find it, click on the Change button next to this section to open the available options. Now, you're ready to set the permissions for Slack linking. You'll see two options: any workspace member or only workspace admins. The first option allows all members of your Trello workspace to link it to Slack, while the second option restricts this ability to admins only. Carefully choose the option that best fits your team's needs. Once you've made your selection, confirm it if prompted. After updating the permissions, it's a good practice to notify your team about the changes you've made. Let them know how Slack linking will work moving forward. This ensures everyone is on the same page and avoids any confusion. Finally, remember that you can always return to the same settings area in the future if you need to update these options again. Trello makes it easy to adjust permissions as your team grows or your needs change. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.